Hello guys, hope you're doing well. This video, my quick update on my dashcamS Pro. dashcamS, not Pro, there's no Pro. Anyways, I have been using it for over 2 weeks now. I had my first initial cam received in November, but it died after a week, so I got the replacement. Obviously I lost 2-3 weeks of mining of honey, obviously, on Hivemapper. So, but anyways, it's back to life, and I got this suction cup ordered separately, and that's let's go to the details, how much cost by mine and what do we. All right, I got so much reflection on the phone, had to find this spot here. So when I initially got my dashcamS, I did only 1 week in November, and it just basically crashed. So I couldn't use it for almost 3 weeks after that. So I got the 500 honey there, and then I got a drop of 5,000 honey, which when half of it sold when it was a bull run, I pretty much paid off my dashcamS. So it was $719 that I sold, and then I have, when I receive it back, so first week I got 750 honey, and then I got 1,000 honey just for driving around. It was a long trips, and now I'm doing this next week from December 25th to December 31st, and so far I mined 7,695 honey, and honey did drop a little bit, so it's I think 11 or 12 cents, but I sold some for 739, and I still have 4,000 honey. So I just hope it's gonna grow back and I can sell for $500 and make $500, or I can hold it. I just gonna probably hold it for now, and I'll show you guys. It's pretty simple to use on when you open up the map. As you drive here on the top of the screen, you'll notice the once you connect to dashcamS, you don't have to be always connected, but I like to have connected all the time because it gets your location on the map as you drive, and it will show you which roads not basically photographed yet, and so you can get maybe better rewards for that, like 2x or 3x honey. And also, as soon as you get some photos taken, it will transfer to the phone first, and then it will transfer to the basically to the server or wherever it is, and you will get, after a week mine, on the 3 days later on Thursday, you get this report. So see, I was mining, the coverage was from the previous week. I got paid on 27, which was pretty much I believe from 24s. It's Sunday, so 3 days later you get paid, or 3 or 4 days later, in honey tokens. So that's pretty much it for this video. It's pretty simple, nothing too complicated. You could also do your cellular data uploads if you have no charge for your data. It will help you just not to wait till you get to your location, because everything will be uploaded and ready to go for you when you come back home, stuff like that. Also, quickly, I want to mention about positioning of the camera and about this suction cup. So I'm gonna post link down below. So initial adapter that comes here with the Hivemapper dashcamS, it was with the dual stick tape there, and it didn't hold on my windshield. It was falling down a couple times, so I had to get this part, and the suction cup been here for almost 3 weeks, no problem. I never removed it. It didn't fall down. I had the wire just go behind my Tesla screen and connected back in here. Pretty much easy to do, and it runs pretty much all the time, and it's not that hot. What else I want to say about it? And the obviously the angle position, so you want to keep it horizontally straight, and about 5, or I believe it's on their website, the direction. You don't want to tilt too high. You can see a little bit of the hood in your pictures. I'm gonna show you the image right there. Great reflection, so you could see that right here, right? So you could see that, you could see my hood there. It's that white part on the bottom. It's fine. They say it's absolutely fine. You don't want to just point that directly out in the sky, so you don't want to tilt much more than 5, I believe, degree up, so just to avoid too much of the hood in your photos. That's pretty much all to it. Enjoy your mining and Happy New Year.